badge removal. What's going on, guys? Trying to change it up a little bit. Today I'm going to be removing the badge off the trunk lid of my car. I'm going to show you a fast, simple way, the way I do it. Of course, there's other ways to do it out there. And also remove the adhesive off of that once you get the badge off. Basically, you just want to get some string, any kind of sewing string. Double up on it because it will break easily. So as you can see, I have 3 of them here doubled up or tripled up on it. Wrap it around your hands, around your fingers, and just work it underneath there. And just start cutting it. Moving it back and forth. Take your time. Alright, so this is going to be your end result here after you have it removed. You're going to have a bunch of glue, adhesive on there, stuck on your paint. You can either go with like a Goo Gone adhesive remover, and I'll do that right now and show you the finished product. So this is what I'm going to be using, Power Pro Goo Gone adhesive remover. This is one of the good products you can use on there. If you'd like to speed up the process, of course, you can use a little scraper and start scraping it, but you have to be careful of your clear coat and your paint. Leaving this on and just letting it do its work is the right way to do it. If you want to speed it up, go that way. But again, be careful. So now what I'm going to do is just soak it in there. Get that soaked in there and let it sit for a little bit. And as you can see here, it's been sitting for a little bit. If you take your time and you're very careful with it, you can pretty much get all of it off. But again, you have to be very careful you don't get your clear coat or your paint. Okay. This part takes a good while because you have to get all of it soaked in and start scraping it off there. Alright, so there you go. Finished product, looks nice and clean. This car does need a wax job, but I'm going to go over that with the adhesive remover. There's a little bit more left on there, but there you go. Very easy process. It takes about roughly 30 minutes to get all the adhesive off because, of course, that's been on there for years and it's petrified shit. But yeah, hopefully it helped you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you on the next video.